guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to smoke some ribs in our Broaster Smokaroma. We're going to smoke these ribs for about 15 minutes. Traditionally in a regular smoker it takes about 4 hours to smoke ribs, but we are using a pressure smoker, so it's going to cook it much faster. We're going to start by patting it dry. We want to get the excess liquids off of it. We are not going to take the membranes out, but I am going to cut into it, just so that when you eat the rib that it actually pulls better. Our Smokaroma is actually a really neat piece of equipment. It smokes in about 1/4 the time as a traditional smoker. You can also cold smoke with it, so you can make like smoked blueberries, put in a barbecue sauce, make a smoked blueberry barbecue sauce. Really neat. It's not just made for barbecue restaurants. It's great for any type of restaurant, fine dining, taco shops. It would be great for meats for tacos. It's just a great all-around piece of machinery that you can use just about anywhere. It only uses about 4 ounces of wood per batch, so that's a lot of wood savings there. And like I said, it cooks much faster, so you're able to make pulled pork and brisket in 3 hours. You're able to smoke chicken in 45 minutes. We did a turkey breast in 45 minutes, and these ribs are going to be done in about 50 minutes. All right, this is our one-step seasoning. We are going to dry rub it onto the gravy. What I like about the Smokaroma is that it leaves a lot of the moisture in. So meaning you're going to have less moisture loss, so that leads to a lower cost of goods sold if you were selling by the pound. That also makes your meat looks bigger, right? So everything you serve is going to have a little bit more weight to it, which is real nice considering how much moisture loss we lose when we are traditionally smoking versus using the pressure smoker. Let our barbecue rest. I made some barbecue, so we'll make some barbecue sauce. This is a shot of Jack Daniels with some honey and Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So we're going to put it right on the tin foil, and then we are going to get the ribs and put them face down onto the barbecue sauce. And we're going to wrap them and let them rest. Pieces. So we're going to let it sit for about an hour, and then we'll cut into it.